6 years advance?
Hi guys! Jenie Mae here. So today is May 8th, which is 1 month na lang jud before ko mag 20 years old. So napag-isipan ako na magbuhat to graduation speech since daghan po kay kog mga memories throughout this high school life, senior high school life. So
first of all, I would like to thank my family since kinaspoil jud ko nila every single time. They didn't even pressure me to get the best and high grades, basta lang ang importante sa ilaha is makapasar ko, maka-college ko. Maski pa nagsamaglisod na sila, ang perminti na ako makita sa ilaha is their strong and hardworking side. I will always be proud to say that you took care of me, us, your 3 children in a good, respectable, and humble way. I love you!
High school life would never be complete and achieved without the people that help you to grow, as what I am right now. Diaper. 4 years na tong panag-uban na skin mo tag. Isungol ako sa mga naong. Pero ang memories na atong na-build is dili jud na dito. Tanan pulaw, kwarta, sayaw, kanta, memorize, compete, and everything. And that's what make us a unique one today. Thank you sa tanan happy and sad moments na kauban mo. And I hope soon mag-reunion sad ta. 1, 2, 3, go! Andromeda. 2 years feels like longer than that. Especially sa mga non-STE classmates na mo na amazing kaayo. Kay wala dyan ninyo gipa-feel na lahi mi sa inyo ha. We cheat este. We win as one. Useless fights, gossips, hardships, we experience everything. And that's what make us stronger as time goes by. Let's cheer each one of us and I hope kita tanan fixed na sa itong mga courses and desired schools. I will miss you guys like big time. Labi na sa isa dira.
gusto sad na ako magpasalamat sa tanan subject teachers and advisors na nakauban ako throughout this journey. Thank you for helping me to shape my future.
And last but not the least, you started this YouTube channel when you were in grade 7. Daghan sad kag na-collect na memories sa imong channel. Nagsugod ka from scratch, from different skits, and went to vlogging and many more. You also experienced new things, thanks to your confident ass maski bugo ka sa ubang butang. Finally, you finished the K-12 program. Cherry Pie, I'm so proud of you. Kabalo ko na you cried for how many times because you still question yourself about your worth. But hey, what we always say to ourselves, feelings are feelings. Dagan pa kaghilakan pohon so igwas ra jud na. And after crying, stand up and start to be the best version of yourself. Love lots!
So, thank you guys sa mga nakaabot diri nga video, no. So, sorry kung emotional kay ko ani nga video, no, kay alongan gud wala gud bitar na graduation niya, na pang may mga pasahunan ng mga projects and stuff. Shout out kay Ate Kath, class 2019. Sorry kung na ako yung mga wala na mention since daghan jud kaayo mo. Ano na kabalo kinsa pa ko may pang-mention kay basig taas na kayong video niya, basig mapungot ra mo niya di niya dili tanawon. Thank you guys for watching and punta na ko yung mga future na mga videos throughout this quarantine, throughout this pandemic since Narot na akong mga tinaguang videos na. So, katong last na tulo ka video kay muna dyan itong tinaguan ako for 2020. Pero kabalon sa buhaton ako. Nalabi nagmaulaw po ko diri no kay na ako mga pamilya. Dili ako, wala ba ako naanad na mag-vlog-vlog. Sa bag, aning scene. Oy! Anyway, subscribe for more videos. Kung na bang may gana i-hit ang notification bell, i-hit na lang na inyo kung gusto mong updates. Maski pa nagsara ko mag-upload. Naalang sa description ang mga social media accounts na ako kung gusto mong mag-updates ako ang ka-OA yan karong quarantine. Yes. So, muna to siya guys. Bye-bye! Gani na gudong taong suoton.